The next page we'll be looking at is the macro editing page. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see any macros that you've recorded, and on the right-hand side, you can edit these macros. Let's start by pressing new macro and renaming it into hello. We can press start recording to start recording, and end recording once we're finished. We can edit any instance in this macro by clicking on any button and pressing add key or coordinates, modify, and delete. Alternatively, we can use the add button right here. We can press clear to delete everything that's on the page right now, and we can toggle fixed interval, which replaces the natural typing rate that you recorded with a certain number of milliseconds. In this case, let's try using 15 milliseconds. Up here, you can change the loop count, which is how many times the macro repeats itself when activated. You can also change it to toggle playback with assigned key, which allows the macro to turn on when clicked and turn off again when clicked again. You can also replace it with press to play, which allows you to hold the button to activate the macro and immediately stop activating it when you release the key. In this case, let's go with a loop count of 5. Finally, press save to complete your macro. Now you're ready to use it. In this example, we'll go to keyboard settings and apply E to the macro that we just created. Now, when we press E, this macro is repeated 5 times using this specific interval that we determined earlier in the macro editing page.